Hi everyone, this is Teddy from Brink's product management team. In this video, I will walk you through the basics of scheduling a package in Changeset Publisher. You can access the Changeset Publisher page from either the selection panel or from Settings Editor. Changeset Publisher is a tool that allows you to package a group of changesets and publish that package to selected locations on a scheduled date. For this tutorial, we will follow the 3 steps required to schedule a package in Changeset Publisher. Those 3 steps include 1. Selecting which existing changesets you want to package, 2. Selecting which locations will receive that package, and finally 3. Choosing when the package should be published to those locations. Now let's begin. Right now you are on the Changeset Packages page. This page is made up of a filtering tool to help you find existing changesets by date, name, or location. In addition to the filtering tool, you also have the Changeset Publisher grid to select and view all the details of a changeset. In the Changeset Publisher grid, the details available will be the name with the total count of changes. Click on the count to view all the changes made to which entities. There is also the created time, which will be the date and time that the changeset was first published, the user who first published the changeset, any notes added to the changeset when it was created, and lastly the name of the original location at which the changeset was first published. If there are any other locations that the changeset was published to, they will also appear in this grid. From the Changeset Publisher grid, select the changesets that you want to include in your package. As you select changesets, the number of those selected changesets will appear next to the Continue button. Clicking on that number will list the names of the changesets that you selected. After selecting the changesets that you want to include in your package, click the Continue button to proceed to step 2. Now you are on the Configure Changeset Packages page. You will complete the last 2 steps of scheduling a package on this page. First, you will need to name your package. Then, choose which locations will receive your package. And lastly, schedule when your package will be published. Before submitting, click the number of changesets at the top of this page to remind yourself of which changesets you are including in the package. Review your target locations and confirm your scheduled publish time before submitting. Once you're set, click Submit. Once successfully submitted, you will be brought to the Changeset Packages page. To recap from earlier, we created a package named Loyalty Reward and scheduled that package to be published to the Aliso Viejo and Beverly Hills locations. After doing so, the details and status of that package are all housed on this Changeset Packages page. This page is made up of a filtering tool to help find published changeset packages by date, name, or location, and the Changeset Packages grid to view all the details of a changeset package. In the Changeset Packages grid, the details available will be the name of your changeset, including the number of changesets in the package, the number of locations in your package, when the package was submitted and who submitted it, the scheduled date that the package will be published, and additional details include the package's overall published status, where the package was created, and the list of available actions for a package that will depend on the status of the package at that time. Selecting a changeset package will bring you to the Changeset Package Detail page. This page gives you a view of the package's changeset details and locations. The page includes a Changesets tab and a Locations tab. In the Changesets tab, there is a grid view of all changesets included in the package. The details in this grid include the name of the changeset, the number of changes made in the changeset, the person who created the changeset, the day and time that the changeset was created, any notes included in the changeset when it was published, and the original location that the changeset was created from. Click on the changeset name to open an XML view of all changes made in the changeset. In our case, this view contains changes made to a loyalty reward. In the Locations tab, there's another grid view of all locations that receive the changesets in the package. For each location, the details in this grid include the name of the location's published status, and the day and time that the status was last updated, and the connectivity status of the location's primary register. This will be either online or offline. Because the location's primary register should be online during the publish of a changeset package, checking the connectivity status of a location's register can be helpful when you're trying to troubleshoot. To get back, click the Changeset packages using the breadcrumb at the top or the selection panel on the left. Done. Be sure to check out our other tutorial on how to publish from Settings Editor. Thanks for watching.